The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals has paved the way for the controversial CCID court to be established. 12 News senior political correspondent Richard Lake spoke with opponents and supporters after what was an intense legislative debate and a drawn-out legal battle. Richard, what do they all have to say?
Well, Byron, both sides are as dug in from when House Bill 1020 first made its appearance on the House floor. Supporters argue it will ease the backlog in Hinds County courts and lower crime. Opponents say it's an attack on democracy. The now green-lit CCID court will open for business any day now. The Chief Justice of the state Supreme Court, Justice Michael Randolph, will appoint one judge, as well as the prosecutors that will operate within it. The NAACP and opponents of the bill argue that appointment of judges and prosecutors strip away voting rights of the majority black capital city. In a statement, NAACP General Counsel Jeanette McCarthy Wallace said, quote, "Our case will proceed with more briefing and arguments to come. The NAACP remains committed to upholding democracy and putting power back in the hands of Jackson residents." Another opponent of the bill is afraid that this court will not accomplish what it was written to address. The bill's author, Republican Representative Trey Lamar, said House Bill 1020 would alleviate the backlog in other Hinds County courts and lower violent crime rates. Attorneys representing the state have said many times this new CCID court will operate as a municipal court, a worrying descriptor for one opponent.
I have never heard them say how a new municipal-like court that handles traffic offenses and ordinance violations will do anything to address homicide rates or gun violence. It really just lays the foundation kind of perfectly of the state being able to aggressively enforce minor offenses that have nothing to do with public safety.
Supporters disagree. Governor Reeves signed the bill into law in April. In a statement, he says, quote, "This decision will help improve public safety and attract investment in our capital city. This allows us to take another step forward together for a safer and better Jackson for all its residents." Attorney General Lynn Fitch says, quote, "The people of Jackson deserve a safer community, and this office stands ready to help the people of Jackson get access to the prompt adjudication of justice that this law makes possible." And this law also expands the jurisdiction of Capitol Police throughout the 24-mile Capitol Complex Improvement District. Richard Lake, 12 News.